Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can go into the room at the end here. It's the new code for the update on therapy on Roblox. So you're just going to walk through this hallway and you're just going to type in this code 9714 and you'll be able to get in this room in therapy, and that is the code basically to the therapy secret room. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comments section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching until the end. Goodbye.